Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful Tuesday morning. Today is 5th of May 2026. This is what we were looking at yesterday. So let's do a quick recap of what we had yesterday. Yesterday was a very, very good day. So we were looking for potential buys above here, above this level here. We never got the buys. You see, for the sales, we are looking for potential sales below this level here. This is how we took the trade. Once this candle closed below our level, I placed my buy limit here. Price opened here, tapped into our level, activated our buy limit, our sell limit, activated our sell limit here, and then it started pushing down. You see, pushed down to our TP1, then it pushed down to our TP2, and finally hit our TP3. Our TP3 was hit at around 1:11 p.m. This was before even the New York session opened. So that was full TP hit. So real quick, that was our first win for the month of May. That was our first win. So real quick, let's see what you have on the calendar today. What do you expect today? It is a bank holiday on the Japanese yen, and we have some high impact news on the high and the Australian dollar. This was at 7:30 a.m. You know the data is already out. It's 9. So we have some high impact news at 5 p.m. At 5 p.m. we have some high impact news affecting the USD. So I told you, whenever you see high impact news, know that probably there's a volatility in the market will be high. So if you're in a trade before 5 p.m., you could close your trade, close your entire position, or just lock in some profit or break even until the volatility settles. So at 5 p.m., watch out. Risk management is key. Don't lose your hard-earned capital. Preserve your capital. So real quick, let's do our analysis for the day. We are going to remove all this and start afresh. Let's remove all this and start afresh. As always, our top-down analysis, we start on the 1 month. On the monthly, that is our resistance, and that is our support down there. On the weekly, we have our support down here. Our resistance up there. On the daily, we have our support down there. Yeah, we have our support down there, and the resistance up here. On the forwards, We have our support down here. Our resistance is up here. You can see this structure that is broken here. So our resistance is up here. Let's use the bodies. Jump down to 1 hour. On 1 hour, this is what we have. On 1 hour. The structure has been broken up there. We have our support down here. That is our support down there. And the resistance is up here. This is the 1 hour resistance, the 1 hour support. And then jump down to 30 minutes. On the 30 minutes, we have our resistance up there. We have our resistance up there on the 30 minutes. And our support down here. Let's see if that's the same thing we have on the 15 minutes. Yeah, same on this 15 minutes. So let's stick to the 30 minutes, and this is how we are going to frame our entries. These are we are going to look for entries from. So this is the 8 a.m. candle, the 8:30 candle. So we're gonna move that down. That will be our potential buy if that candle closes above the level. So if that candle closes above this level, that will be our entry for today. That will be our, we could look for buys above that level. For the sales, we're going to look for sales below this level here. If a candle closes below this level here, we could look for sales. And that is our potential sales. Potential sales below. So for the targets, if we break above there, I want to see the market come up here. And we have that level there. That level there. And there. Okay. on the sell side, we break below here. We have a level down here. Have a level down there. And we have a level down here. So these are the levels I'll be watching for. If we get a sell, let's see what we have on the 4 hours. Just real quick, an overview. So if the market breaks below here, we want to see this level get broken, this level, this level here, and then here. Okay, yeah. So that's the levels I'll be focusing on today. Those are the price levels I'll be focusing on today. Remember to manage your risk, manage your risk well. So for the long position, you see, this candle is not closed above our level. So this next candle, we wait 30 minutes. We have 30 minutes of waiting. If it closes above our level, then our entry will be there. Push the market up. I don't want to see it cover this gap first. Our stop loss might be just below the resistance there. The market decides to come back there. Our stop loss will be there. So this is a risk to reward ratio of 3.7, which is very okay. But if we get a good break above this level, I would want to push the market up here. If we get a good break above that level, I would want to push the market all the way up there. Yeah, if we get a good break above level at that level, I would want to push this market all the way up here. That is what for the buys. And for the sells, at first I'd be looking for price to break above this level before we can continue all this all the way up here. If we get a good break above here, then you can push the market all the way up here. For the sells, I'd want to see a candle close below this level here. If we get a good close below that level there, I would be willing to push this market up to here. So I would wanna take my profits. But if we get good volumes, the market could come all the way down here. But first, I would want to see a good if we get, I would want to see a candle, a good closure below this level before we can push it all the way down here. So that's what we'll be looking at today. Remember to risk manage your trades well. Trade what you see, not what you think. Trade what you see, not what you think. Okay, so there is our analysis for today. Happy hunting, guys. See you tomorrow for a recap of the same. Ciao. So this will be a take profit 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This will be our take profit 1 on the sell side, 2, 3, 4, 5. So see you tomorrow, guys, for a recap of the same.